powered by National Link.
To begin, select Operator Function to log in and start the process. Select Host Setup. Then go to Key Management and choose Enter Master Keys. When prompted, select Yes to continue. Select Change Password and enter the default passcodes. Password 1 is 7 zeros. Password 2 is 7 zeros. Next, enter the new passwords that are secure. Be sure to keep them somewhere safe. You'll want to hang on to them in case you need them later. Once the new passwords are set, cancel back to Host Setup, then re-enter Key Management. Within the Key Management menu, select Set EPP State. Then choose Set Removal State to confirm that the current removal state is set to activate. Press Start to enter the default ID and password. You'll repeat this process for both ID and password 1 and 2. Use the following credentials: ID 6 zeros, password 6 zeros. Now select Add ID and press Enter to input the new ID and password. ID 6 ones, password 6 ones. Select Verify to re-enter and confirm. Then press Enter again to input the second ID and password. ID 6 twos, password 6 twos. Select Verify to re-enter and confirm. Once both IDs have been added, cancel out to return to Set EPP State. From there, select Start to enter the new IDs and passwords. Next, choose Change State. Then select Change State once more to confirm you'd like to switch to Installation State. Once complete, you may now return to Key Management to enter the master keys. Final frame: if you need assistance, please watch our video on how to enter master keys.